I'm Sebastien Lefebvre, Senior Director, Data Sciences at Alexion Pharmaceuticals. So one of the challenges we've had is how do we work with collaborators whereby we bring the analytics to the data and not the other way around. We needed to find a platform by which, or a technology essentially, by which we were able to create these analytical recipes and be able to share them with our partners so that they can run those analyses against their own data set. We're pharma. On the other side, we're doing a research project with research institutes and that are part of healthcare systems sometimes. And we need that ability to simply show them how to fish, essentially. And what we found is, your open source model with the licensing on the server side is a perfect balance, right? Whereby we can easily get our partners to adopt the desktop version, and then we license the server as a means to collaborate and share this knowledge. Having the desktop being open source allows me to easily tell them, look, just download this, install it, and then what I will share with you is essentially the recipe, right? I'll share a file that contains all the steps that I've had to build in order to run this analysis, and then they can do it on their own. So that's huge, right? To force everybody around the same commercial product is impossible, but it's quite easy to tell your partners, look, it's free, and it works. It's a game changer, and that's where we've had a lot of success.